Hello, my name is Adam Hewison. For many years, I was a professional trader on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange in Chicago and also for a hedge fund in Switzerland. I want to share with you my 10 golden trading rules for successful trading. If you're going to trade, you need to have the number one rule is a game plan. You need a plan to get in the market, why you're getting in, and more importantly, if you're wrong, what you're going to do about it, how you're going to get out. That's rule number one. Rule number two is follow the game plan. It's amazing how people may do a game plan, but they do something completely different in the emotion of the moment. A game plan grounds you. It keeps you on track about what you want to do. Now, rule number three is important, and that is stop loss. Always trade with stops to protect your capital. A lot of people say, oh, it'll come back tomorrow, it'll come back now. Oh, so-and-so said this. A gazillion and one excuses, but a stop loss gives you the important protection you need for your capital. Now, rule number four is a way to reduce your risk. And the way to reduce your risk is by diversifying in markets that aren't correlated. For example, you could be trading Apple Computer on one hand and crude oil on the other. None of those markets are correlated. So you could have a good day in both, or you could have a bad day in one and a good day in another one. It's to reduce your risk. That's the important thing, to reduce that risk. Diversify. That's rule number four. Rule number five is filter your trades. Now, we have a mechanism at Market Club to easily do that, but you can do it yourself if you really try. That is to not take those little squiggly trades that can eat up your capital, but just capture the big moves. That's where the big money is made. It's not made by day trading. It's not made by just getting in and out of the market every two seconds. It's made by capturing the big moves. And that gets to rule number six, and that is trade with the trend. If the trend's going up, trade with it along. On the long side, if it's going down, then trade on the short side. But trade with the trend, because the odds are in your favor. That's what's so important about trading with the trend. Now, the seventh rule is not to listen to the news. And the reason I say that is because many stories are planted in the news by traders to affect the market. It's just that simple. So if you're listening to the news, oh my God, this news came out, and in half an hour that news is gone, the market's doing something else. Only pay attention to the real news, and that's what the market is itself doing that moment. Listen to the market. It's very important. Now, rule number 8, which is the one may get me in trouble, don't listen to your broker. Your broker has a vested interest in putting money in his pocket, his or her pocket, and not in your pocket. So don't listen to your broker. There's a conflict of interest there. Do your homework and make your own trades. It's very important for you to do this. Rule number 9 is money management. You really have to be good at managing your capital, and that gets to diversifying, stop losses, all the things we've just talked about, the 8 other rules. That's all comes under money management. Very important part of trading. And the last rule, rule number 10, and this is the one I really want you to listen to. You must be disciplined to trade. You must have discipline in your trading. Discipline to put the stops, discipline to do your game plan, discipline to take your profits when it hits an objective. Discipline, to me, is the key element to successful trading. I've left it to number 10 because it really is the most important thing. So this is Adam Hewison with my 10 golden trading rules that I hope will help you, put you on the right track, and get you started being even more successful in the marketplace. Adam Hewison for Market Club. Every success trading and in life. I'll see you on the web. Take care.